Okay, so the last thing that I want to do, well, there's two last things actually. I'm going to take in a little bit of that pink into each of the eyes. Now it's just going to give a little bit of a glow, so they're not quite as black. And then rinse that brush off. And the other thing that I want to do is to come into this main blue, just pop a little bit there and here to the edge of the owl. Then with my round number 10, which should have clean water on, I'm just going to dab a little bit off. I'm just going to soften that in, so that's just going to define that edge for me, because I've not got it because I've got the white cloud there. So this is softening in at its best, just highlighting the edge of the owl there. In fact, that looks so nice. I'm going to pop another little bit in. Pop a little bit here and a little bit here. Again, clean, damp brush. Clean, damp brush. Just flow that through. There.